Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today instead of dance I have some other video for you. So I tried to make soya manchurian. So that is absolutely maida free manchurian. So I'll share the recipe in this video with you. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it and enjoy the video ahead. So guys, let's look at all the ingredients which we will be using. So we would need corn flour, so 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Then we have curd, 2 tablespoons of curd. Then 2 tablespoons salt. Then red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons. 1 cup capsicum, 1 cup onion, 1 cup chopped tomatoes. Then of course soya chunks, and tomato ketchup. We can also add soya chili sauce as per if we want to make it spicy, we can add that too. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start with the recipe. So first we'll wash these soya chunks. So we'll drain out some water from them. So after washing the chunks nicely, we'll add some hot water. And we'll soak them for around 5 minutes so that it gets softened. So till these chunks get soft, we'll take a pan and add some oil and heat it. So the chunks are all soft now. So we'll squeeze the water from them and shift them in another container. So similarly, we'll do it with all rest of the chunks. So now we have shifted all the soaked nutries in the other container and all the water is squeezed out of them. Now before frying, we'll add some salt and chili on it. So we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt, some chili powder, 2 tablespoons corn flour. Now we'll mix it nicely. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of dahi, 2 tablespoons of curd in it. And we'll mix it well. Now it's all mixed up very well, and now we will deep fry it and we'll fry it till it gets brown. Deep fry. Oil is also heated up now. Now these are all brown. You can see they have turned all brown. So now we'll shift them into a plate. So our soya chunks are all ready. Now we'll prepare the sauce. So we have all these ingredients and now we'll use them to prepare the sauce. We'll put some oil in the pan and heat it, and after that we'll prepare the sauce. So we are waiting for it to get heated up. Adding onions to it. Then capsicum. Some tomatoes. We'll add some chili powder now. Salt as per our taste. And we'll mix it well. We'll cover it now. We'll mix it nicely. And now we'll add some ketchup, tomato ketchup in it, and we can also add some soya sauce if we want to make it spicy. We'll mix it up well. Let's add the soya chunks now. We'll mix it well. So our manchurian is all ready now. We'll add some coriander leaves to garnish. We'll take out and serve it in a bowl. Our soya chunks manchurian are all ready to serve. We can serve them with tomato sauce or any other green chutney we like. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel.